Another abstract thinking tool is the perspective of looking everything through change. So evolution, adaptation, adopting things. So everything changes. Now it starts to become more and more clear. But so if you study the history of something, for example, let's say market changes, what makes a product to disappear, a new product come, or understand the biological creatures, how they evolve. So this one, if you focus on the history, then it will help you to predict the future. So let's say if in marketing, what can be the next new product, or what kind of companies can survive. So if you understand product life cycles and understand that why some products have longer life cycles and other products have shorter, what are the market forces like price, quality, delivery speed, or functionality, or interconnection with other things. What if you understand what motivates people, what moves, what causes the change, then you can predict the future, which is an abstraction. You want to understand and want to plan. So when you want to plan something like in a business, then you have to understand what are the main forces that cause changes. So this can be very specific in a field, but that requires an abstraction of a lot of past data or past experiences, and then you try to look at what is common. So this is a kind of pattern recognition, but in a dynamic way. So when I was talking about pattern recognition in another video, I was focused on separate entities, not in time, but at the same time, and what is the same. But here, this is a kind of developmental model, how things change. And let's say studying the virus, let's say the COVID-19 virus now, if you study other viruses, how they change through history, how fast we could come up with a cure, what determines whether it takes a short term or a long time to come up with a vaccine or a medicine, or how long does it take to understand how the virus really works and what are the different reactions in the body. It is about studying historical data, having experiences in time, and then we can generalize, and then we abstract this. We have an abstract knowledge, and then we can make a better prediction than just without any mental model about past changes. This is the same in product development, that if you, let's say you are a mobile phone producing company and you want to design the next feature, so what will people like? You have to understand the changes in the different versions of your and the competitors' mobile phone set, that, and understand this, what motivates people to buy a new thing. That maybe it's not the price, maybe the main motivation is, let's say, battery life, but probably not. Or maybe it's about size for different market segments. So this also comes to understanding different market segments, but that is a topic. So if you use this, let's just look at this, that when Darwin and their friends created this evolutionary theory, they totally changed the whole biology, and they changed a lot of fields. And the other if we understand what happened, let's say the mechanistic worldview, like Newton, the clockwork universe, that everything is fixed and we just describe with some physical formulas how the world physically works. And when it came a new idea, so when there was a theory about how we see the world, then we experience that, let's say, it changes how we produce things or how we treat the environment. So a new paradigm shift caused certain changes in life, in different scientific branches, in different industries. So if you study how big mindset changes, paradigm changes, caused huge changes in the world and in specific areas, then you can see that when there is a new paradigm shift, you can predict that what will be the new change.